half burpees. This exercise gets your heart beating quickly and therefore is a great calorie burner. There is no big muscle group that is not engaged in this movement. Adding this exercise in your routine is one of the fastest ways to build strength while burning fat really efficiently. Put the medicine ball on the ground. Place your hand on the ball and jump your legs out. Then quickly jump your legs back under your chest. Finally, jump up, extend the arms and lift the medicine ball overhead. While doing this movement, remember to engage your core. It helps you to maintain the correct form.